Hi, I have a message that I wanted to share today, and it's really for those of you who, for the last 2 years, have been aware of the struggle that you've been in to find your path forward in life. Now, for some, it's not a struggle. For some, it's as easy as one, two, three. It just all starts well, moves well, flows well, and goes well. That is not the case for a lot of people. So if you have been struggling to find your way, I want to share a little bit about what that looks like, because the first part of your struggle is feeling it. The second part is being aware of it and asking questions. And usually most people start and stay with, why me? I was in that situation for a while, but because of the nature of what I had to go through, I moved out of that very quickly. And some of you already know that story. So I'm not going to repeat it here. But what is important is to understand the spaces that you move through with your consciousness and your energy. And when you transition out of the why me, or as I call them, the why nots with a K, K-N-O-T-S, you shift your energy and you start to begin to balance what is within you with what is without outside of you that you're experiencing. This is not about creating your own reality. This is about crafting your balanced experiences in life. And it takes a long time to become a master of that kind of balance, just as it would if you were going to be working for Cirque du Soleil. It would take you years of practice to be able to perform with that company and trust yourself fully with your skills. Living from the inside out is exactly the same. So, full transparency, being able to see yourself clearly, being able to recognize that there's one view that the world has of you that's very likely not at all who you are. And then there's the view of who you are on the inside. And the balance is to come and bring those two literal lenses, perspectives together in a way that is balanced within and without. And it's balanced in truth, not in projection, not in emotional deregulation, not in trauma bonding. All of those are phases that we go through to clear the energy that is about stopping you getting to be who you are going to be in this system that we live in, which I call the system of separation, because that's what it is. So, in full transparency, I want to share with you what that process can look like. It has lots and lots of turns and turns and turns and turns and turns and turns. Once you shift off of the, excuse me, why me thing, you're now turning from your own center instead of being turned from the outside in, which will bring you into separation with yourself. So I'm going to share a little bit about what I went through, and I'm going to start because right now I'm actually in the process. I need to take a sip of water because as I'm in this process with you today, my throat chakra and my emotional body are going like this. Don't speak. And that's not where I am in my life right now. I am speaking.